Hello everyone. Welcome to our animation tutorial. Today we're using a recorded audio file to generate speech animation quickly and efficiently. This workflow helps bring digital characters to life in just a few simple steps. Let's begin by posing our character using AccuPOSE. Now that our character is posed, let's bring it to life with speech animation. Instead of recording a voice manually, we'll use the built-in text-to-speech feature. Simply enter the dialogue, choose a voice, and generate the audio. iClone automatically creates the speech track, making it easy to produce character performances in minutes.
In this video we are introducing text-to-speech editor.
Now let's animate our character using a recorded audio file. Instead of typing dialogue, we'll use an existing voice recording to drive the character's performance. To begin, open the Create Script panel and choose the Audio File option. Select your recorded voiceover and import it into the project. Hello everyone. Welcome to this iClone tutorial. Today we'll create a realistic digital character, animate facial expressions, and generate natural lip sync in just a few simple steps. Hello everyone. Once the audio is loaded, iClone analyzes the speech and automatically generates the corresponding mouth movements. This allows the character to start speaking almost instantly without manually animating lip shapes. Notice how the character's mouth follows the timing and rhythm of the recorded dialogue. This provides a quick and efficient way to create talking characters for presentations, tutorials, and animated videos. At this stage, we've generated speech animation directly from a recorded audio file. This method is quick, simple, and works well for many projects. For even greater control and accuracy, iClone also includes AccuLips, a powerful lip sync system that provides advanced phoneme editing, word alignment, and detailed mouth shape adjustments. AccuLips allows animators to fine-tune speech performance and achieve highly realistic results. We'll cover AccuLips in a dedicated tutorial later, where we'll explore its complete workflow and advanced features in detail. For now, let's continue building our character performance by adding facial expressions and enhancing the overall animation. Our speech animation is now complete, but the character still feels a little static. To make the performance more natural, let's add some subtle head movement using Motion Puppet. Open Motion Puppet and choose a suitable preset for natural head motion. Before recording, enable the mask option and disable all body parts except the head and neck. This ensures that only the head movement is applied while preserving the existing speech animation and body pose. Welcome to this iClone With the tutorial. mask configured, Today we'll preview create the a motion and realistic adjust the digital intensity character, if necessary. animate facial expressions. Once you're happy with the result, start recording and let the character perform the movement in real time. Now let's play back the animation. Hello everyone. Notice how the subtle Welcome to head this turns, iClone nods, tutorial. and natural Today we'll motion create a add life realistic and digital personality to the character.
Animate facial expressions,
Even small
and
movements
generate
can
natural
significantly
lip sync
improve the
in just a few
realism of a
simple
talking
steps.
character. At this point, we've created a complete character performance using character posing, speech animation from an audio file, and motion puppet head animation. These techniques provide a fast and efficient workflow for creating engaging digital characters in iClone. We're almost done, but there's one final detail that can dramatically improve the character's performance. To create a stronger connection with the audience, we'll use the Look at Camera feature. Move to the very beginning of the timeline and create the first keyframe. Then enable Look at Camera so the
everyone.
character naturally
this iClone
maintains eye
tutorial.
contact with the
Today we'll
viewer
create
while
a
speaking.
realistic digital
This
character,
simple adjustment
animate
makes the
facial
performance
expressions,
feel more
and generate
engaging and
natural lip
professional.
sync in just a few
Instead of
simple
staring
steps.
into space, the character now appears to address the audience directly. Hello everyone. Welcome to this iClone tutorial. Today we'll create a realistic digital character, animate facial expressions, and generate natural lip sync in just a few simple steps.